the Be Kind crew to kick off the Be Kind American Adventure. These interactive videos will take you on an exciting journey across America, where we'll discover famous American landmarks. Hosted by the Be Kind crew, this program allows your student to discover and learn about 10 exciting American landmarks as if they're on a road trip across the USA. This virtual field trip experience includes interactive hands-on projects, kindness and wellness activities, virtual souvenirs, recipes, playlists, and weekly video meetings with the Be Kind crew. Our 5-week adventure takes off June 8th and again on July 13th, so register your student today to join the Be Kind American Adventure. Simply visit bkpp.org for more information on pricing and dates. We can't wait to explore and learn with you.